caring for our customers' continuity. And with all the benefits and advantages that technology brings, it would be a waste to continue approaching customer relationships the old-fashioned way. Customer success management is the process of ensuring that customers successfully use the company's products or services. The objective is to provide long-term customer satisfaction and loyalty through maximizing adoption, usage, and value of the product or service. Adopting customer success management software is essential to start with this business model. This platform is designed to help CSM professionals improve customer relationships, ensuring the completion of the bond with the company and long-term satisfaction. With OpenKM, you can create your own tailor-made customer success management software. The DMS has all the necessary functionalities to collect all customer-related information. Through automatisms, workflows, or optical character recognition, you can improve any business process or task, especially those that are repetitive, with little added value, and which are also likely to increase the rate of human error. In addition, OpenKM is a shared work platform ideal for offshore companies, with remote staff or staff located in the client's office. All authorized personnel will be one click away from the reports and metrics they need to make informed decisions. And with the OpenKM Academy e-learning platform, we'll ensure that the onboarding and adoption phase is a success for customers and our staff. If you want to know more, get in touch with us.